viewers from all across the diaspora. My name's Oguma, also known as August the Great, and today I'm going to be teaching you about greatest common factor. Greatest common factor, or GCF, is when you have two numbers and you want to find their factor that's the largest in value. What is a factor? A factor is a number that can be multiplied to make another number. Let's take this number for example, 8. Its factors are 4, 2, 1, and 8. 1 and 8 are factors because they multiply each other to get 8. 4 and 2 are factors because they multiply each other to get 8 also. We use them so we can get our number. So, how do we get the greatest common factor? Well, all we have to do is factorize two numbers that we want. Let's say we want to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 6. Well, all we have to do is factorize them. When we factorize 8, we have to find all of the factors of 8, which are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And when we factorize 6, we have to find all of the factors of 6, which are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now we just line them up to see which ones they have in common. They both have 1 in common, they both have 2 in common, they do not have 3 in common, do not have 4 in common, do not have 6 in common, and do not have 8 in common. Well, now we see 1 and 2. Which one is greater? It is 2. Bye guys, thanks for watching the Learning Squad. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Bye!